let's try to find the radius and the center of the circle in this case. So first we'll want to switch, I guess, this equation so it'll be more readable. You'll get x squared plus 3x plus y squared plus 5y plus 9/4 equals 0. By doing this, we can organize them like this so we know what we're going to eventually factor out. So since this is at 3, so we do 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. You'll have x plus 1.5 squared, which will have x squared plus 3x plus 2.25. And we can't add anything by just this. We'll have to subtract it. So I guess that balances it out. And same thing goes here. And this is minus 6.25. And then this is plus 2.25. Now what we're going to do is we'll do basic addition and subtraction. .25's cancel out, and you add 6.25 on both sides. This becomes this, which is basically equal to 25 over 4. From what we know, the radius, this value is r squared. So taking the square root of this will be 5/2. And from here, we will notice that, if we plug in x for negative 1.5 and y for negative 2.5, that will get us the center of the circle. So we'll have x equals negative 1.5 and y equals negative 2.5. So this is our center, and this is our radius. Now let's do another question. This is about the distance between 2 points. So we covered mainly in pre-calc, but also algebra 2, algebra 1, trigonometry, etc. Let's try to find the distance between these points. From what we know, distance formula, we'll have -6 minus -2 squared plus, now we want to organize this correctly so we don't mix it up by any case. And this is basically like the Pythagorean theorem. You do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and to find c, you'll take the square root of it. So this is basically looking for c, which is our distance. It's like a hypotenuse. So this becomes -6 minus -2, which is -4. -4 squared is 16. Plus, this becomes 4 times √3 to the second power, which is 16 times 3. Which is 16 plus 48 in the square root, or square root of 64. Now the square root of 64 has two values, 8 and -8, but because we're smart, we know we can't have a negative value for distance. So our value for distance will be 8.